So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a page in Duda website. So the first thing you want to do is once you open up your account is go to the website builder or just go to the websites you already have. So from here you can see layers, you can see theme, widgets, media, content, blog, settings. There's a lot of stuff on the left side of the screen and you will see the option pages. Now click on that. From there you can see pages, you can even add pop-ups through here. You can see then recommendations, so you can use AI to maybe get ahead. You can see the pages that are already there, like home, services, about, and contact. Some of the more grounded and easy to find pages that most websites use. And you can click on add page. You can also expand the menu, so you can see page builder, blank page, designed page, dynamic navigation, folder, page URL. So you can see there's quite a lot of stuff that you can even find through there. So let's just choose page builder, which will give you the option to plan out the design. So it says kickstart your page, speed things up by structuring your page layout with the sections you want, and get AI content suggestions. So they really try to make it as quick for you as you can, so you can put in brand name. So let's use something like this, and then from there you can add sections and you can set it up, and you can even add content through AI. And after that, once you're done with setting up this page, you can just click on add page to site, add and create another, add and go to editor. So let's just add and create another, and it says this page was built, you built was added. So that's about how you can create it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.